Good night, teacher. My name is Norma Kinatoa. For the homework one, I will present a narrative about how my grandparents contracted married and how this taught me more about culture. When my grandparents were young and wanted to get married, it was not like it is now. That is, you know, guys, friends, you go to parties, you have a boyfriend. All this was not possible a few years ago. The girls didn't go out if they were not accompanied by their mother, and the only times they were alone was when they went to the river to wash clothes or shape wool to make the sun. Um, in that, the boys took the opportunity to look at the girls, and if one liked, had to remove the faccialina. I present a video that showed how the boy uh, got the faccialina from the girl. In the afternoon, the young men would go to the house of the owner of the faccialina with her parents and talk about the date of marriage with the parents of the girl. It was not necessary that she knew him, and this is how they got married. This is how my grandparents got married. My grandfather loved my grandmother very much and tried to give him the best, but even though many years passed, I cannot say the same about her. I can say that although there was not divorce, there was not good relationship between them, and thus they lived until they grew old and they indeed. What I have learned? Mm, with this I learned about what my culture was like in terms about marriage, and I am happy that it has already changed, at least in the majority of the indigenous people. How the world works. This is I can also say that not everyone can do what they want about all in the world. There will be things that we like and that we don't. My place in the world, I still cannot say. It's something I'm still looking for and trying to understand what is it. But for now, I can say that I would like to occupy that place where change occur, change that can differentiate. That's where I want to go. How to evaluate what happens in the world? The world is constantly changing, just as my history changed. The world will continue to change, and it is up to us to see if the change will be good or bad. How to act in the world? This history tells me that I should not let myself be be carried away by my emotions because as my grandfather decided to marry my grandmother, even without her wanting it, it has its consequence that I that is why I must act, thinking about the consequence that my decisions may cause. That's all. Thank you.